x approaches negative 4 from the right, what's f of x approaching? And this is your box. And now look at this part. This is where the focus is. Specifically, we're trying to see what's happening to the graph, what the y values are doing when we approach negative 4. If you see a plus sign up here where an exponent would normally go, the plus sign means from the right side. So here's negative 4. I'll highlight it in blue so it stands out. Here's where negative 4 is. And from the right side, we're looking at this part. We're looking at the actual red graph, the graph of the function. And when you approach negative 4 from the right side, you see how the graph suddenly goes up, and it just keeps going up. Because of that asymptote, it'll never touch negative 4. It can only approach it, but it'll do it forever. And you see the graph, the y coordinates keep going up forever. There's no stopping that. So in that case, this part here where you have f of x, just as a reminder, f of x and y are the same thing. So if the y coordinates go up forever, they're going up towards positive infinity, and that's what you put in the box.